the main purpose why we visited DigiProces is to know more of the automation part, where we saw there was more of an automation rather than human dependency. Same goes to the traceability, where they are using these factory logics, which is a very good traceability system, which has a foolproof system to know the end-to-end process traceability, which is very demanding in the current market segment which customers are asking for.
The DigiProces team who has given us a good opportunity to learn, study the SMT processes, wave sorting processes and other manual processes.
So we checked all the traceability and all the team cooperation also very good, and in management support also good is in all employees here. That one also in same thing we have in our INDIC also.